welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm super excited to show this to you, Strawberry Shortcake. It's a 3-toned slime and it comes with these clay balls in white, dark pink and bright pink, and there's the layers, a top layer of white, then a layer of dark pink and then a layer of bright pink at the bottom. And you get to mix these clay balls into the slime to make a clay slime, or a sleigh slime I should say, and there's a little heart charm that comes with it too, and the whole lot smells of strawberry shortcake. It's just so nice to mix and to handle. It's super stretchy, super spreadable and so much fun. So this is available in my shop now on Etsy. Don't forget, slimescrewball.etsy.com, and you'll find strawberry shortcake listed in there as a 12-ounce slime. So I'm just going to have some fun mixing this in, and you can sit back and watch. Enjoy! So you'll notice that as the clay mixes with the slime becomes super thick, super stretchy, really fluffy, very satisfying. Makes really good swirls and it's so spreadable. Just look at that. Lovely. So once it's mixed, just pop it back into its pot. I'm just putting a little swirl on and putting the charm on top. So next up to the shop we have mint AERO. I haven't put the label on yet. So for this slime it smells of mint and chocolate and comes with little green foam balls and a chocolate base. And I decided to add some white mini foam balls to this to make it even more airy, bubbly, crunchy, just like an AERO mint chocolate. So in go some mini beads just to add to this slime, because I think it will make it more like the AERO mint chocolate, and this is great fun to mix in. Comment below if you think I should supply these separately for you to mix yourself, or if you like them already mixed in. So this slime is super satisfying and it smells amazing. So this slime also has really good poke and click, and all in all it makes for a really good slime. So look at that, what a wonderful texture, it's so stretchy, and I'm so glad I added those mini foam beads. So go and check out the shop for this new slime. It will be listed any day soon. So next up we have this wonderful pot, and I originally called it Pearl Glass, but I've decided to call it Silver Stream, as, well, you'll find out. It is just like liquid silver and it's just gorgeous. Love this slime. So it's a clear slime base with silver pigment. Look at that. It's kind of pearlescent, not quite silver. It's just got such a nice quality. So this slime's got really good stretch, really good click and poke. as you'll see, and it looks so cool. So just look at how stretchy and shimmery and silver that looks, just like a stream that's filled with silver. It's like something straight out of a fairy tale, and I just love this slime. I can't stop playing with it, it's just so good. So it's time to put this slime away, and you'll notice it's in a new screw top jar, and these come in 4 ounce, 6.7 fluid ounce and 8 fluid ounce. So look out for that in the shop. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye!